Stunning, majestic-built home in the Northwest Allen County School District with pond views. Welcome to this spacious 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with an exceptional floor plan and amazing functionality. The moment you arrive, you'll appreciate the fresh landscaping, maintenance-free mulch, front irrigation, updated exterior lighting, and inviting curb appeal. The spacious main-level primary suite features tray ceiling and a luxurious ensuite bath with a beautiful walk-in tiled shower, corner jacuzzi tub, dual vanities, and a massive walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find a lofted area with catwalk leading to 4 additional bedrooms, including a private suite with another full bath and walk-in closet, and 2 bedrooms that have walk-in closets and share a Jack and Jill bath. And the 5th bedroom offers endless flexibility to fit your needs. The heart of the home is the chef's kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, a large center island, oversized pantry, and dining area. Vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace create an inviting atmosphere in the family room, while the versatile front room can easily serve as a formal dining room, office, or additional living space. Step outside to enjoy the fantastic screened-in porch overlooking the newly expanded patio, peaceful pond views, and a tree-lined backyard that offers both privacy and picturesque views. Other features include a 3-car garage with upgraded smart entry system and 2 attic spaces. This beautifully maintained home offers the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and everyday practicality. Don't miss your opportunity to make this exceptional home yours. Call April Lehman today.